while we were shopping at the Home Depot last weekend, we were looking for a storage bin or something. I wound up buying this item, which is a 22-gallon small deck box. It's brown, and Daniel told me I have to put it together, so I'm going to do that. It says easy assembly. What does it say? Minimal tools required. Alright, let's see. Let's see what that means. My drill's inside the house, so I can always press that. It's from a brand called Suncast. And it was around 50 something, $60, so I'm like, alright. I got this. I'm trying to open this up without using scissors. I got my drill just in case. Okay. Are they numbered? No. There's instructions right down there in the box. Hopefully this is really easy to do because I'm not very good at complicated things. So, step 1, A to B, C to B. Oh, this is B. B? How many B's are there? Oh, one B goes on one side, one goes on the other. Okay. This is E. It says lid. This is B. I don't even think I need my power drill. This is the front A, so A and B have to connect. This way. Okay. Might need Daniel to help me put this together. I'm having a hard time with the bottom. I give up. So this is where I'm stuck. This is what it's supposed to look like. I'm stuck on this step. Well, I did jump steps, but still, you might have to take this apart. These things are supposed to go into there, into these little spots, and I can't get them to go in there. Like this. So, I didn't get a chance to tape this yet, but I'm going to show it to you now. So Daniel was able to put this together, and it did go, the bottom did go the way I thought it would go. The first one I had, and I doubted it, and because the instructions didn't explain it. Bad news is it's not 100% foolproof. It will get water inside, and I will show you what I put in here, and I'll show you the water and what the bottom is supposed to be. So see this, Exhibit A, water. I think I'm gonna get a paper towel and dry it. I have these tools in here. I might add some more tools in here. And then this box of skewers that I never used before, non-stick kebab set. I had this for a while. I think my grandma gave it to me, I don't remember. Yeah, the water. And this thing goes from, you like slip it in from I think the inside and it clips in. But somehow water got in. Thankfully it's not flooding because we did have a big ass storm the other day. But still, yeah, it was made in the USA, thank God. But yeah, so this is it. I put it on our bench for now because Daniel was going to make a stand for it and then he decided he wasn't going to. But, you know, I don't want the Nancy's to get in here because we have like a Nancy's problem outside here on the patio. I don't know. But yeah, so this is that. And that's the back. Hey, Mooks. Yeah, so there's a little bit of water. Yeah, I was going to get a paper towel and try to dry it. It's a little bit of water. It's supposed to be foolproof.
Maybe if we put a rubber seal around the top. That's what it's because it was like sideways, right?
Oh no. Can you grab me a couple paper towels? Please? Thanks. I got it. Thankfully it was just a little sprinkle of water. We had heavy rains yesterday. And the other night. Yeah. Well, that's pretty good. If I say so. Why does it look crooked? Because it is. I don't know. It's a little crooked. Nothing straight anymore. And that's tomorrow. It's nice, isn't it? Pretty nice.